Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Fazina Aziz from Tudung People. So today I'm wearing one of our ironless travel easy collection. This is Safaa that comes with a matching inner. If you want to know how I wear it and how easy I style it, so just hold on and continue watching. Start off with wearing the matching inner. This collection is made from cotton lycra, so it's really comfortable and is suitable for summer or really hot weather. So you can take this shawl at the end. Thing is, this material actually sticks on each other, so you can really skip the pin this time. So you start off like this and just put it over your head. If you want to have more coverage, you don't pull the whole thing in front. So just put it halfway. Kalau nak kemaskan, you can just pin it here. And you're done! The size is different from all our other collection. It is wider to provide more coverage, and it is shorter because the way to wear it is really simple. You just have to sekali pusing je and terus siap. If you want to know more about this collection, you can just click on the link down below. Thank you for watching.